So you're gonna walk in on this side, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. So I'll wait here.
So walk in from my window. Alright.
I can't through the window.
Alright.
Do you want me to go that way?
It doesn't matter. Take 2 out of 10. What are you teaching to make today?
He's gonna teach me to make Gurma.
Awesome. So this is a really sweet Guyanese dish. It's made with mango. It's almost like a sweet mango curry. That's how I try to describe it to people. But it doesn't contain mango. It doesn't contain mango. Is it too much, or you'll be able to see the ingredients on us with this camera, right?
Yeah. No.
I'm so dumb. How did I not know that?
That's okay.
Oh,
Okay.
lighting.
1, 2, 3.
So what do we call that sound, Natasha?
Chunky. Okay, Matthew, it's been 5 minutes. What's the next step?
Okay, so the next step, once
Hi guys. So, can you guess whose kitchen I'm in?
I have to redo it.
I saw your hand.
Yeah.
No, but I was... Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be and once the oil heats up, you're going to go in with the chopped onions. Is it hot? Is it hot? I know you had it on.
Pepper's choking me.
Okay, so let's go in with some cheese now. Now where you... Not sure your phone is ringing when you have to turn it.
Okay.
Right now, just put a little... Well...
Leave it here and we'll just grab a piece.
That's so big. I want a small piece.
So
Cut it small.
Cut it in half?
Yeah.
We should do that. You gonna cut this? Okay.
We're already recording.
Oh. Hello.
Okay, so now the real test is to taste it. So guys, no, not so guys.
Okay, do it and just carry it. No, leave it and I'll talk and then you carry on. Okay. So guys, I just tried to...
So make sure guys, try the recipe. Let Matthew know if you like it. Leave your comments for us down below. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. And we'll see you guys another day. Bye.
Bye guys.